We're making another stop at the factory for this week's preset of the week. Let's take a look at preset number 210, Ottawa Funk. The term Ottawa is a bit ambiguous. That's what people called an envelope filter back in the day because it automatically made the wah sound without having to push a pedal up and down. Then it morphed into meaning a pedal that had an LFO-driven filter that swept at a constant rate, making a wah, 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 wah sound over and over, the same as if you swept the pedal up and down. This preset uses an envelope follower to make the wah sound, and that makes it an auto wah. Open your editor to preset number 210, Auto Wah Funk. It doesn't matter which modeler you have, as this is one of those presets that is just about the same across all three platforms. The one odd thing is that while the FX3 version uses between 44 and 48% of the CPU, the FM9 version uses just under 43%. The FM3 version uses 60%. Let's take a look at this preset. Besides the in and out blocks, this preset uses 8 blocks: wah, comp 1, drive, amp, cab, delay, reverb, and comp 2. The wah block uses the Clyde type, and the modifier on the control is the envelope follower. The comp 1 block uses the pedal compressor 1 type, while the FX3 and the FM9 use the Studio FF compressor. The drive block uses the Zen Master. The amp block uses the ODS 100 clean for the 2 clean scenes, and the Plexi 50 watt normal for the crunch and lead scenes. The cab block uses Legacy number 47, a 4x12 German V30. The delay block uses the digital stereo type. The reverb block uses the medium hall type. Quality is set to economy, but the FX3 and FM9 version use high. I just switched it to high on the FM3, and the CPU went to 74%. Hey, that's just fine. The Comp 2 block uses the Studio FB compressor. The FX3 and FM9 version use the Studio FF compressor. This preset has 5 scenes: Clean FX, Clean Dry, Crunch FX, Crunch Dry, and Zen Lead Funk. Well, let's check it out. Envelope filters are a lot of fun, and you can get your Jerry on, or you can just get funky as all get out. Give it a try. Let me know if you like this preset or not. This Friday, we are going to take another look at using AI with your fractal modeler. Now, you don't want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, I will see you on Friday.